Yes, fam, good morning to you all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a knotless braids for you guys. Remember, don't forget to like, comment, share, tell a friend to tell another friend about your girl Shireen Stabby. So fam, today I'll be doing a knotless braids. I'm gonna use two colors. I'm gonna use purple and black. I'm gonna use two purple and I'm gonna use a pack of black with 10 pieces in it. So fams, let me stop talking and let's just get into the video. Continue to watch this video to the end. And love you guys. I love you. And one more thing, happy Sunday. Yeah, and today's Halloween day. Wow, maybe I do a Halloween vlog for you guys. Thank you. Look out for that. I said maybe. So have fun watching this wonderful video. Thank you. Mwah. Love you guys. Yes, guys, as you can see, I do the back part of my client already. Wow, looking good. I love it. Love the length, the color. So right now, I'm going to do the first part. So as you see, I'm parting it. Then I'm going to go in with my shine and jump, clean up the parts. So down this part, I'm just going to put two plaits. So then I'm going to use the shine and jam to cover her natural hair, not to let her natural hair show in the braids. So I'm just gonna make sure her natural hair is hide in the braids. So as you see, I'm putting the hair underneath my middle finger. I just use my thumb and my middle finger to hold the braid, and the index finger be the guide. So I'm just gonna continue to plot out this. So continue watch this video to the end. And guys, I'm going to add the hair as I go along to make sure I get the thickness. Do her edges right there, but I'm going to do the edges over when I'm finished. But I just like to do the edges when I'm plaiting the braid. So I'm just going to do her edges right now. Sweep it in, let it slick, and then I'm going to go over it. So yeah, it's looking good. So yes guys, so just continue to watch this video to the end. Thank you for your love and your support, and thank you guys for subscribing to my page. I love you guys, and if you are not yet subscribed, me don't know where you are wait pan. Me don't know where you guys are wait pan. Just subscribe to the page, share it up, comment, tell me what kind of braid style you guys would like me to do for you next. Thank you, love you guys.